To fix a Vizio soundbar not working with blinking white lights, start by checking the power cord and ensuring it is securely plugged into both the soundbar and the wall outlet. Next, verify that the soundbar is turned on and the volume is not muted. If the issue persists, try resetting the soundbar by pressing and holding the volume down and power buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. If the soundbar is connected to a TV, check the TV's audio output settings to ensure it is set to external speakers or soundbar. Also, ensure that the soundbar is set to the correct input, usually labeled as TV or optical. If you are using an optical cable, try swapping it with a different cable to rule out any issues with the current one. Another common cause of blinking white lights on a Vizio soundbar is a firmware issue. Check the Vizio website for any available firmware updates and follow the instructions to update the soundbar's software. Additionally, try disconnecting any devices connected to the soundbar and then reconnecting them one by one to identify if a specific device is causing the issue. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try performing a factory reset on the soundbar. This will restore the soundbar to its default settings and may resolve any software-related issues. To do this, press and hold the menu and volume down buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Once the soundbar has been reset, set it up again from scratch and test to see if the issue has been resolved. It is also recommended to check for any loose connections or damage to the soundbar's hardware. If you have tried all the above steps and the issue still persists, it may be worth contacting Vizio support for further assistance or considering replacing the sound bar if it is no longer under warranty. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Vizio soundbar and get it working properly again.